Good morning, everybody. I am so sorry. I do not normally film on my phone, so forgive me. Forgive the look. Talk to you soon. Bye. And there's my iced coffee. Good morning. Okay. Morning, everyone. Just checking on my plants. Oh, it's pretty. Starting to get our yard work going. The weather's not been that great, so we're really slow to the game. Took a huge plant out of here. I don't know what it was. Well, I'll show you what it was. I have one still on the other side. Maybe you can tell me. I found got a leak. I gotta fix it, and we gotta clean out the fire pit. Really didn't want to show the yard yet, but I guess I'll show you and you can see when it's done. My tomato plant's doing good. I'll bring you back when the bloom. Look, the blooms are starting. I didn't know how good it would do, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna bear some tomatoes. Okay, let's look at the rosemary. This is an old plant over here, but it's still good. This rosemary, I'm telling you, it has a life of its own. And then this little plant, oh, it hasn't done more than what it's doing. I don't think you could kill rosemary if you tried. My basil, I love basil. That's really doing good. I still have more plants I want to do. I have to go to Lowe's. Okay, I want to show you this plant because I don't know what it is. It's this ugly thing. Look at it. Last week I cut this down. There was no green sprouts at all. Look at it. It looks like paper. I mean, it's weird. And we think, look, what the heck? Look, and it just comes off like that. It doesn't really have a trunk. Well, it does, but it's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And it just takes over the yard. And we think what it is, I'm going to show you way up on the hill. I'm going to zoom in. I got to trim my palm trees. Okay, you see those way up there? I'm zooming in. We think one of those, I don't know if you can tell, way up there. Well, anyway, we think the winds, when we get the bad winds, brought it down because we never planted anything like this. I don't even know what it is. So if anyone knows what it is, could you tell me, please? Because I despise this thing. I want you to look and see how it's taken over. And when I was cutting it down last week, this tells you how fast it grows. One got on the grass. It started growing hair. That's it. Watch, I'm gonna pull it right now. I'm gonna have to get in there and dig it out. I'm telling you, it is the weirdest thing. I hate this thing. Anyway, if you know, let me know. So we have a lot of work to do in this corner. A lot of work. And here's some of our palm trees. Oh, there's two little lizards. As long as they're not mice, I'm fine. But yeah, this is the corner that we really have to get into. Okay guys, I'm gonna go put this up and get started on another DIY for you. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.